Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and we're in Las Vegas. Guess where we're heading? And guess what we're riding? That's right, we're heading to the Westgate Hotel and Casino and we're getting there via the monorail. The Westgate's a little off the northern end of the strip. If you head north towards, let's say, the Strat, or actually if you head north towards the new Resorts World, when you get to Resorts World, make a right and the Westgate's about a block up. Now, some of you may be thinking, why visit the Westgate? It's so out of the way. No one ever goes there. Well, you would be wrong because, one, it's pretty much in the parking lot of the convention center, and two, it's connected to the strip just about anywhere on the strip via the monorail, which heads right into the lobby here. Besides, Barry Manilow has a residency here, so how bad could this place be? Well, it looks like we made it, so let's check this place out, shall we? If my memory serves me correctly, this is where Elvis made his comeback in the late 60s after all those movies that you either love or hate. Some say it's a miracle he survived those movies, but he certainly did, and his career came back even stronger. I guess when you're ready to take a chance again, Las Vegas is a place to do it. It's not just Elvis either. As you walk around the lobby, you're reminded of all the entertainers that have come through these doors over the years. The Westgate used to be the Las Vegas Hilton. It's got quite a history. And in this day and age of Las Vegas where they just knock old casinos down and put up new ones overnight, this one has been around a long time and it has a fantastic history.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Lots of people are surprised by the amount of shops available here at the Westgate, including the Westgate Gift Shop, The Nation, which is a Raiders NFL shop. Could it be magic? Jen Kramer has a magic show here at the Westgate, and she also has a magic shop here as well. There's a place called The Strip, the Cabana Shop, and lots more, including Socks and Bottoms, Source Electronics, Garden of Zen, Liqueur Skin and Care and Fragrance, Rockin' Ink Tattoo Company, and Kate's Island Shop. And here we have Sid's Cafe. If you're looking for comfort food, this one's for you. The menu items at Sid's Cafe are diverse and delectable, ranging from appetizers and salads to burgers, sandwiches, main plates, and desserts. This I Love Westgate heart actually looks like an art installation, but it's actually signed by the hundreds of employees from here at the Westgate. All the ones that made it through COVID, they each signed it as if to say, I made it through the rain, I'm back here at the Westgate, and we really appreciate everyone coming back to Las Vegas. Here we are heading towards the Westgate Sportsbook, and until Circa came around, this was the most impressive sportsbook in town. It's huge. Circa kind of knocked it down to number 2, but it's still one of the best sports books and one of the largest sports books here in Las Vegas. As we head into autumn here, I'm thinking of spending a weekend in New England to check out Foxwoods as well as Mohegan Sun. Have any of you been to either one of those in the Northeast? If you have, let me know what you thought. Leave a comment below.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
I know earlier in the video I mentioned that Barry Manilow is doing a residency here in the Westgate, and he just recently restarted his shows after the pandemic. And to tell you the truth, I've been playing a joke on you guys, and hopefully you made it this far into the video, because in my commentary I mentioned 9 Barry Manilow songs, and I was hoping you were paying attention. If not, you might have to go back and check them out. But there are 9 titles of Barry Manilow songs in my commentary in this video. Be the first to list all 9 titles and their timestamps, and you win a super duper Las Vegas prize package from Jeff from New York. It includes a Las Vegas Casino chip refrigerator magnet, a Las Vegas keychain, a Cosmopolitan Do Not Disturb door sign, don't ask how I got it, but they are collectible, and a holographic Las Vegas playing card signed by yours truly. And again, you have to be the first to find all 9 Barry Manilow song titles and their timestamps. If you're a fan, it shouldn't be too hard. If you're not a fan, I'm sorry to torture you. And keep in mind, these song titles aren't gonna flash like Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl. I actually say them in my commentary. Some other restaurants located here at the Westgate include Edge Steakhouse, Fresco Italiano, Silk Road Asian Bistro, Ricky Tiki Sushi, there's the Draft Sports Bar and Grill Express, Fortuna, and Nacho's Tacos Authentic Mexican Restaurant. We're coming up to the casino lounge, and it's nice and bright and airy here, and even now as I walk through it, I just can't help but notice how much I love casinos with windows. I know they're very hard to find. This one doesn't have that many windows, but they are located up front. Kind of reminds me of the Wynn. Now don't get me wrong, the Wynn is a much more luxurious hotel, but the Wynn does have windows in their casino as well. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. What'd you think of the Westgate? Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.